Hello! Today we are upgrading my living room together with the IKEA TIDTABELL Flatwoven Rug. Together we'll unbox it and set it up in my living room to get a cozier atmosphere. I am also using the IKEA STOPP FILT anti-slip rug underlay. This is a large 2 by 3 meter rug. Carefully open the package, but don't hurry, so you don't damage the rug inside. Then move away everything that is in the spot where the rug is supposed to go. Make sure to clean the floor surface where you will place the rug. Debris under the rug and underlay can scratch the floor in the long term. Then unbox the anti-slip rug underlay. This will be a bit tricky because the sticker is really stuck to it. Cut off the rug's labels. If you need information about cleaning this rug, just take a photo of them first. Then unroll the rug so it straightens out and the rolling creases reduce. Lay the rug down in the spot where you want to see it, and mark the carpet's outer sides. Vacuum the surface one last time where the carpet will be placed. Then lay out the anti-slip underlay where the rug will sit. A helper will come in handy here because this underlay is sticky. If your underlay is smaller than the rug itself, it's better to use it primarily on the sides where there is more active walking. The sides where no one walks can stay without the underlay. You can use painter's tape to fix the underlay in place. The next step is to lay down the carpet. Ask your sister for help, as a 3-meter carpet is not exactly super light. If you don't have friends around, use some weights to hold the rug side in place while you lay it down. Adjust the sides and smooth out any bumps in the rug. Then place back all the furniture and set up your spot. I like how it looks. Just remember to remove the painter's tape. I hope this helps you figure out the easiest and best way to set up an IKEA rug. As always, I'm open to suggestions and questions. Good luck!